to get this kind of finish. What is the cutting legal requirement? How much you can cut a wheel and you can keep the strength. It starts from a physical inspection. So basically when customers comes in, we will inspect the wheel. We see how much cutting has been done previously, or if not been done, how much we can cut right now. If we cut each wheel 0.1 to 0.3 mm, you can still keep the wheel safe on the road. If you cut too much more than that, then the wheel itself loses the strength. But at Macville Repair Service, we don't cut the wheel 0.1 mm even, we cut 0.03. This is my experience, 15-year experience in this industry. I know to get this finish, you cutting the wheel 0.03, you can still get the same finish. So I don't compromise with customer service. I don't compromise with customer safety on the road. I don't compromise with my business, because your safety is my business. If you are unsure that how much this wheel still have for cutting, bring it to me. I will inspect for free, of course. I will do my best to help you out. Get the finishing like this and also keep the safest strength on the wheel, so you don't have to compromise with your safety. You know where to come. You can come to 16C Andromeda Cresent in East Tamaki, and you can call me on 021-2345-448. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, or even Red Note. I will see you on the next video.